In this video, I will walk you through a detailed lootbar.gg review to see how this marketplace stacks up against traditional in-game stores. When you compare Lootbar to direct official top-ups, the most obvious contrast is the price point. While official stores charge full price, Lootbar offers significant trade-offs in your favor, such as a 26% discount on Wuthering Waves or 29% off Last War Survival. The standout feature here is the sheer volume of successful transactions across massive titles. We are seeing 5-star ratings and over 100,000 units sold for heavy hitters like Genshin Impact, Honkai Star Rail, and Zenless Zone Zero. The platform wins for users who prioritize cost efficiency across multiple categories, including game coins, gift cards, and subscriptions. Beyond just mobile top-ups, the comparison extends to game keys, where you can find global Steam keys for titles like Phantom Blade Zero at 24% off the standard $60 retail price. Whether you are looking for Dofus Comus, FC26 coins, or discounted Xbox keys for Palworld, the interface makes it easy to spot these savings compared to local regional pricing. This makes it a top choice for budget-conscious gamers who still want a reliable, high-volume service provider. Overall, the variety and consistent 5.0 ratings make it a strong contender in the digital marketplace space. If you found this comparison helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more deep dives into gaming deals. Let me know in the comments which game you are currently topping up.